My dear homeopathy students, you might have heard about homeopathic aggravation. What exactly is homeopathic aggravation? What is the difference between homeopathic aggravation and disease aggravation? So today I'll try to explain you about the homeopathic aggravation with an example of a case of psoriasis. So homeopathic aggravation is intensification of the chief complaints, but generally a patient will be feeling better. In case of disease aggravation, there is an intensification of chief complaints, but the patient will not be feeling better. So in case of psoriasis, as you can see here, so this is a case of psoriasis, and you can see here the image was taken on 20th August, and this is a case of psoriasis, and you can see here the lesions over forearm, on both forearm. As you know, psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. Most commonly it presents itself with bilateral skin lesions, and the skin will be dry, cracked, and even we can see a tiny blood spots if you remove the scales. That is what called as Auspitz sign in psoriasis. So this is a case of psoriasis. As you can see here, the lesions over both forearm as well as on the even on the both knee joints. So this is even this pic was taken on the same day, 20th August, and you can also see here on the ear pinna the psoriatic lesion can be seen very clearly. So the medicine was given on the same day, 20th August, and what happened next was, as you can see, this is the pic of 20th October. So after 2 months of time, the lesions actually increased in size. So this was the pic of August. The lesions were very small and tiny. As you can see, after 2 months of homeopathy treatment, the lesions are increasing in size. But the important thing is, what about his physical generals? His sleep, his appetite, his thermals, his bowel movements, and the level of itching, the severity of the itching. So the physical generals are very important to assess whether it is homeopathic aggravation or disease aggravation. This is very important here. You can see here this pic was taken on November 14th, 2020. So after again 1 month of time, the lesions, you can see the clear cut psoriatic lesions are increased in size, right? But the patient is feeling better generally. This is important here, right? And even you can see the psoriatic lesions on the back, the tiny spots as well as one big spot here. So what happened next? So in case of psoriasis or any autoimmune disease, when you come to know as a homeopath, this is not a disease aggravation, this is a homeopathic aggravation. Then what we should do? We should not do anything. We should just keep on patient on Saclac or on placebo, so that the homeopathic aggravation will always definitely follow the curative process, right? So here you can see some changes over the knee joint psoriatic lesion. This was taken on November 30th. You can see little bit improvement in the psoriatic lesions which is present on the knee joint. Not only on the knee joint, this is the level of improvement we are seeing here. Not only on the knee joint, but here you can see somewhat improvement on the lesions which are present on the arms, forearms. So again, this was taken on 30th November 2020. And what happened next will blow our minds actually. See, this is the result of homeopathic medicine. So you can see a drastic improvement in the psoriatic lesions on the forearm. This was taken on 25th of December. So this is the picture of 30th November, and within 1 month period of time, so the psoriatic lesions have changed drastically. This is very important here. We should not spoil the case thinking that the disease is aggravating. We must always analyze if the chief complaints are aggravating. What about the physical generals? If the patient is feeling better generally, then definitely it is homeopathic aggravation, and which we should not spoil the case by giving any other remedy or even repeating the same medicine. So we have to wait and watch, and this is the result of homeopathy medicine. Again, after 1 month, the patient is cured almost 90%. As you can see here, the lesions are almost disappeared, and yes, even on the ear pinna, the lesions are almost, it's getting cured. And yes, here you can see on the knee joints. So this was the first time when he came with the lesions of psoriasis on his knees, and after a 6 months period of time, so this is the result, right? And this is the recent pic which was taken on 21st February. As you can see, 99% of the lesions are better now. There is no itching, no disquamation, no scaling, nothing. The patient is completely better. Actually, in homeopathy, what we say is the disease is cured at the time when you have chosen the similimum. Only it takes time to manifest itself. It will take some time, but it has cured on the day when you selected similimum. So this is the ultimate result of the psoriasis. And yes, of course, it has been cured with the medicine in homeopathy. There is a medicine called medorinum. Medorinum in the 200th potency single dose was given to the patient, and when we have given medicine initially, it seems that the patient is the psoriasis is aggravating, but it is not the actual aggravation, disease aggravation. This is the homeopathic aggravation. And homeopathic aggravation, not almost always it leads to cure. So this is how we treat classically in case of psoriasis with homeopathy medicines. I hope this will be an example of homeopathic aggravation, a real case example, so that I hope you might have learned something of about this case. I hope you have got some additional knowledge about homeopathy and the difference between disease aggravation and the homeopathic aggravation. Myself, Dr. Jeevan, Jiva Homeopathy, Kalburgi. Thanks for watching.